Good morning students. Today our next chapter is perimeter and area. So what is perimeter? So perimeter is the distance along outside of the shape, or you can say the sum of all sides of a two-dimensional shape. And the area is the space occupied by a flat surface or its surface area of an object. The unit of area is measured in square units such as square centimeter, square meter, square inches, etc. So in this chapter we have to find the perimeter and area of rectangle, square, or you can say circle, etc. So let's start with example. Example first. A door frame of dimension 3 meter multiply 2 meter is fixed on the wall of a dimension 10 meter by 10 meter. Find the total labor charges for painting the wall if the labor charges for painting 1 meter square of the wall is rupees 2.50. So we have to find the cost of what? Painting the wall. ठीक है, मतलब एक वॉल के बाद उस वॉल ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਡੋਰ ਫਿਕਸ ਆ, ठीक है, तो ਤੁਸੀਂ फाइंड करोगे कि कितनी लेबर कॉस्ट आ रही है उस वॉल ਨੂੰ पेंट ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ठीक है. So first we have to find the area of what? Area of wall. So to find the area of wall, you have to subtract the area of door from that wall. Subtract the area of door from wall. Then you have to multiply with the cost price. Cost price of 1 meter square. Clear? So find here area of wall excluding the door is equal to area of total wall including door minus area of door. Clear? You have to find only area of wall excluding the door. Excluding means ਉਹਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ, ठीक है. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਵਾਲ ਦਾ ਏਰੀਆ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਡੋਰ ਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਹੋਊਗਾ? ਟੋਟਲ ਵਾਲ ਦਾ ਏਰੀਆ ਇੰਕਲੂਡਿੰਗ ਡੋਰ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਏਰੀਆ ਆਫ ਡੋਰ ਓਨਲੀ. So the area of total wall is in the shape of what? 10 meter by 10 meter. It means length and breadth they are same. This is length and this is breadth. So length is 10 and breadth is 10. It means it is in the shape of a sphere and the perimeter of sphere is how much? Sorry, area of sphere is length into breadth. Area is 10 and breadth is also 10. So side into side. Next, area of door. So the length of door is 3 meter and the breadth of door is 2 meter. So length is 2 and breadth is 2. Area is length into breadth, 3 multiplied 2. So 10 times 100, 3 to the 6. It is 94 meter square. Because meter square is the unit of area. So 94 meter square is the area of the wall which we have to paint. Now we have to find the cost of labor charges for painting this wall. So cost of painting the wall. So the cost of 1 meter square area is rupees 2 and 50 paise. So we have to find the cost of 94 meter square area. ਤੁਸੀਂ find करोगे 1 meter square ਦੀ cost ਕਿੰਨਾ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ rupees 2 and 50 paise. So find ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿ 94 meter square area ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕਿੰਨਾ cost ਆਊਗਾ ਉਸ wall ਨੂੰ paint ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. So you have to multiply total area with this cost rupees 2.50. So that is how much? Rupees 235. This means the total cost for painting this wall is rupees 235. Alright, so this is your example number first. Next, this is example number second. The area of a rectangular sheet is 500 centimeter square. If the length of the sheet is 25 centimeter, what is its width or you can say breadth? Also find the perimeter of that rectangular sheet. So what is the question? The area of rectangular sheet. Area of rectangular sheet is given, that is 500 centimeter square, and the length of this sheet is 25 centimeter. Length is 25, we have to find its width, and then we have to find its perimeter also. So what is the area of rectangular sheet? Area of rectangle is length multiplied breadth, and the perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied length plus breadth. So first, write the formula for area. Area is given 500. Length of that sheet is 25 centimeter. We have to find its breadth. Alright. So unit of area is centimeter square. So 25 is multiplied with this breadth. So when we take it on the other side, it is divided with this 500. Clear students? E means breadth. So this centimeter is cancelled. Now 25, 20s are 500. 25 2s are 50 and put 1 0 here. So the breadth of this rectangular sheet is 20 centimeter. That is 20 centimeter. Now we will find its perimeter also. So the perimeter of the rectangular sheet is 2 multiplied length plus breadth. L stands for length and B for breadth. So length is given already. That is 25 centimeter, and breadth which we will find, that is 20. So 2 multiplied 25 is 20. It is 45, and 45 2s are 90. Unit is centimeter. Next example, third. Anu wants to fence the garden in front of her house on 3 sides with length 20 meter, 12 meter and 12 meter. Find the cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. So fencing means we have to find the perimeter. Fencing means its boundary. Okay? So suppose that this is Anu house. We have to fencing its 3 sides. One from left side, one from right side and one from the back of this house. Clear? So the length of fencing is 20 meter, 12 meter and 12 meter. ठीक है? अनु के हाउस ने अपने हाउस में फेंसिंग करनी है, एक लेफ्ट और राइट साइड को और एक वाले बैक साइड को. सो फाइंड करने की टोटल कितना कॉस्ट, मतलब कितना खर्चा होगा वो फेंसिंग के लिए. ठीक है? सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस पेरीमीटर ऑफ दिस 3 साइड. पेरीमीटर ऑफ दिस 3 साइड्स. So perimeter of fencing is how much? 20 plus 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 plus 20 is 44. So the 44 meter is the total length of fencing. Now we have to find its cost price. Cost on fencing. So per meter cost is rupees 150. So 44 मीटर कॉस्ट के लिए कितना खर्चा होगा, मतलब 44 मीटर फेंसिंग के लिए टोटल कितनी कॉस्ट प्राइस होगा. सो मल्टीप्लाई 44 विद 150. सो इट्स मल्टीप्लाई विद 44 into 50. So it is rupees 6,600. 6,600 is the total cost of fencing Anu house. Clear students? So this is example number 3rd. Next, this is example number 4th. A wire is in the shape of a sphere of side 10 centimeter. This is a wire which arranged in a shape of a square having side 10 centimeter. ठीक है, एक वायर जो किसी स्क्वायर फॉर्म के ਵਿੱਚ अरेंज किया है और उस स्क्वायर की साइड कितनी है 10 सेंटीमीटर. If the wire is rebent into a rectangle of length 12 centimeter. If the wire is rebent मतलब अगर तुसी उसी वायर को रीबेंड करना मतलब उसकी शेप चेंज करके एक रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म बनाती और उस रेक्टेंगल का की गिवन लेंथ एंड द लेंथ इज 12 सेंटीमीटर and the length of that rectangular form is 12 centimeter. Find its breadth. So ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੀ breadth find ਕਰੋ। ਠੀਕ ਵਾਇਰ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਕੁਅਰ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਰੀਬੈਂਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਰੈਕਟੈਂਗੂਲਰ ਫਾਰਮ ਬਣਾ ਲਈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਰੈਕਟੈਂਗਲ ਦੀ ਲੈਂਥ ਗਿਵਨ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਰੈਕਟੈਂਗੂਲਰ ਵਾਇਰ ਦੀ ਬ੍ਰੈਡਥ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹੋਊਗੀ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਜਦੋਂ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਉਹਦੀ ਰੈਕਟੈਂਗੂਲਰ ਫਾਰਮ ਚ ਹੋਊਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਬ੍ਰੈਡਥ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਆਊਗੀ। ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ find which encloses more area, the square or the rectangle। और उस तो बाद find करोगे कि दोनों दे विच square and rectangle जो किस shape का area ज़्यादा more means greater। So first we have to find the breadth of this rectangle। ठीक है, so देखो जो वायर की square form दे विच और उसे रीबैंड करके तुसी rectangular shape बना लो। ठीक है, तो दोनों केस दे विच की सेम होगा, its perimeter is same। ठीक है, the length of wire should be same, either it is in the shape of a square or in the shape of a rectangle। So you can write here perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle। So the perimeter of square is side of 4 multiplied side, and the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus b, 4 into side of the square is 10, 2 multiply length of rectangle is 12, we have to find its breadth। So 4 times 40, 2 into 12 24, multiply this 2 with 12 and then with b, 2 into b is 2b, so b is 24 on left hand side, it is subtracted from 40 minus 24, 16, and breadth is 16 over 2, it is how much? 8. So the breadth of this rectangle is 8 centimeter. Now we will find area of both square and rectangle। Area of square and then area of rectangle। Area of square is side multiply side, and the side is 10 centimeter, so 10 times 100 centimeter square, and the area of rectangle is length multiply breadth, length is 12 and breadth is how much? 8, so 12 is 96 centimeter square। So the area of square is 100 centimeter square and the area of rectangle is 96. So which encloses more area? Square encloses more area than rectangle। So right here, square encloses more area than rectangle। Clear friends? So this is your example number 4th। Next, this is example number 5th. The area of a square and rectangle are equal। The area of a square and rectangle are equal if the side of the square is 40 centimeter। Side of the square is given, that is 40 centimeter, and the breadth of rectangle is 25. Breadth is 25. Find the length of rectangle। Find its length, so take it as length, and also find the perimeter of this rectangle। So find the perimeter। So first, area of both shape square and rectangle are given equal, so write here area of square equal to area of what? Rectangle। So area of square is side multiply side, area of square is side multiply side, and the area of rectangle is length multiply breadth। So side of square is given, that is 40, and the length is how much? We have to find it, length, see find the value, and the breadth is given 25 centimeter। So 14 to 14, 1600. Take this 25 on left hand side. Now 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10, 0. Again 5 1 is 5, 5 6 is 30, 5 4 is 20. So length is 64 centimeter. So length of this rectangle is 64 centimeter. Now you have to find the perimeter of rectangle also. So the perimeter is 2 multiplying length plus breadth. Length of rectangle is 64 and breadth is 25. 64 plus 25. 4 plus 5 9, 6 plus 2 8. Now 2 times are 18, 1 carry, 2 and 16 plus 1 17. So the perimeter of rectangle is 178 centimeter. So this is example number 5. Now exercise 11.1 is your homework. So try yourself. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Thank you.